What's up, everyone? Nicole here with Mahoney Root Soap and Candle Company. Today I decided I'm gonna do a quick vlog. I do have my prep table coming in from Amazon, so I'm gonna do kind of like a show and setup kind of thing. It is Friday. It's kind of like an office day for me, where I do try to catch up with a lot of house chores and cleaning up the studio, doing dishes from whatever soaps I've created this week. So I figured I'll bring y'all on this journey. So shout out to Wawa. I miss him, of course, but when I worked there, this was one of my favorite jackets that I got. But come along, see what day brings. Let's go. Come on, there's Miss Natalia.
Well, I'm losing too.
With her, she lost her tooth this week. Let's see. Hold your head up. So now she has the bottom ones are coming in, but we don't have any fronts. So we're gonna go ahead, of course. As you can see, she got the good old shower cap on. We're doing a deep conditioner. So let's see what else we're gonna do. Wave bye. All right, I just saw that my package was delivered. It looks like FedEx. I was gonna say FPL. I'm not thinking about FPL. I just saw that FedEx dropped off the package in the garage, so let's see what came. And there it is. Oh Lord, we look like we possibly got a little damage. Oh boy. Let's see. Let's bring it downstairs and see what we got. All right, so trying to lift that, let me turn the light on. Trying to lift the table, it's not working, it's heavy. God bless. My daughter saw it when FedEx came. She said it was a girl or a woman. God bless her. Huh?
It was a woman.
It was a woman?
It was a FedEx woman.
God bless her, because let me tell you, that sucker's heavy. So I'm gonna run down. I have a little trolley that I bought from Walmart. I had one from Amazon, which I left in Jersey, but I have one here. I'm gonna bring it around the side of the house and help me bring it over. So let's go. We are going into the studio slash basement. Did you fall?
No.
Studio slash basement is gonna be dark. Of course, turn the lights on. And here it's plugged out. So this is my studio space. I'm gonna obviously get the light in right so you guys can see what it looks like. But let's go get this table. Just to show you guys, I'm out of breath. First of all, God bless FedEx. We're gonna talk about damages to price.
Well, FedEx.
But God bless the lady, because let me tell you, this sucker was not easy. So you can see, this is how I transport a lot of my large items. Coming through the house to go through the basement, it's not worth it. Just slide it on down the hill on my handy dandy trolley thing, and we just lift it in from here, and it's much more accessible. So let's take it inside and see what we have. That was not easy. That was not easy. So I have to clear this up. This is my cousin's table that I was using temporarily. I did soaps yesterday or the day before, so all that you see, they're about to go outside into my little makeshift sink, so I could clean this all up, of course, and get ready to replace it. So let's see what the new table has. As I said, the lighting is not too great, but let me tell you. So, real quick horror story with FedEx. I had this rack from restaurant supplies or something that came in, and when I tell you it was fine. However, when these were shipped, these are kind of like the I'm drawing a blank. The sheets, you could say the sheet pans, they were dented up. So I reached out to the company, shout outs to them. They were able to replace the two that were badly dented. So I am beyond happy with that, but I don't know what goes on with FedEx and their shipping, but they're a little rough. I thought this was coming through Amazon, but And it's watered, so let's open it up and see what it looks like. And there you have it, guys. All we did was, of course, was just finish tightening the screws for the top and this right here. I'm gonna go ahead and rip off, looks like a protective top. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take it off and let's see what it's gonna look like. And of course, it is right on the money. So this is 24 by 60 and I am quite happy. Let's see here. Yep, 24 by 60. So ouch. So it's right. I hate taking pictures. I'm gonna go ahead and put my stuff on it. Oh, and before I go upstairs, I'm gonna show you the outside sink that I created so I didn't have to wash in the sink. So let's go. All right, so I know it looks crazy, but these I put in overnight to soak. We'll be washing this out shortly, but here's my little sink. Let me see if I can step back. This I got from Lowe's. I think I spent like 60 something dollars. And I have a pipe and I have a hose that's going to connect, and it just runs the water out in the backyard. I love the deepness of this. I just use a hose, of course, to kind of hose everything down. I'm going to clean this all up. My black mica, I have my bleach because everything has to get bleached. If it ain't bleached, it ain't clean. And my aunt laughed at me, but I actually love this. As an island girl, this took me back to growing up in Jamaica and washing at our sinks. You know, of course, this is a laundry room sink, but it's in the backyard and I have them on. Shout out to my cousin Storm. These are his pallets and he's letting me use them. So I'm gonna do the dish, wash everything, clean it up. I just want to show you guys quickly how I clean wash everything, and it's peaceful. Winter's coming, so I'm gonna see how it's gonna work out. All right, let's go upstairs. All right, everyone, so that is it. As I said, it was gonna be quick unboxing and just showing of my new prep table. Of course, I just served lunch, so I'm gonna get ready to go downstairs, wash up all my soap dishes, and try to do some more content. So hopefully see you in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. I will put a link to the table that I got from the actual vendor on Amazon. And of course, till next video. Later.